So I wanted to do something about my organization in my storage building, my workspace. I have so much stuff, it was horrible. So I went to Walmart and got me 2 of these bookcases that I paid $39 for. 2 5-shelf black bookcases, easy assembly. What can go wrong? Well, a lot. First of all, as you can see, I put it together okay, but the net seam, when I put those wheels on, I put them on the wrong side. That's the top part. But hey, who cares? I have wheels. I put 4 wheels that I got from Harbor Freight on there. Those wheels cost me $2.99, and I bought 8 of them, 2 for each bookcase, and I installed them. No problem. Put my backing on, which was a beast because you have to nail every single one of those little nail spots. And voila, it's finished. But as you can see, I did forget to flip some of the pieces, and I'm just gonna paint it black and deal with it. So I took some of my cups and decided to put them on there to see how they would look. And guess what? I'm missing a shelf down there. So, oh well. So bookcase number 2, here we go. This time I try to do it right. I did all the black on the other side. I should have put this on the inside, the black trim on the inside, and had the other color on the outside where I could cover it up with the board. But it didn't work out that way. So this one also, I had to put the wheels on the top part, not the bottom, so that it would be even and they would be okay. And that's my second bookcase. And here they are together. I have yet to put the hinges. I got a pack of 3 hinges from Walmart for $6 that I'm going to put on there sometime tomorrow. But this is my bookcase. My little dream box.